The zero product rule states that if A dot B equals to 0, then either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Zero rules only works when the product is equal to 0. The moment you see something equals 0 and two expressions are multiplied, stop and apply the zero rule. Here is an example. When you see a question like this, just know that this is A and this is B. So if the product of x minus 5 and x plus 2 equals 0, that means it's either x minus 5 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. That means x equals 5 or x equals minus 2. So this is where students make the mistake. When they see a question like this, what they do is to expand. If you go ahead to expand, it's like you are just taking yourself back to square one. So instead of expanding, once you see something like this, just apply the zero rule and get the value for x. Do you need personalized help? Click the link in the description to message me directly. This is another example. This is also a product of 3x and x minus 4, and this means that 3x equals 0 or x minus 4 equals 0. That means x equals 0 or x equals 4. So this is a quick 3-step method. Whenever you see anything like this, the first thing you should look for is a product. Look for a product that is equal to 0. Once you see a product that is equal to 0, that's the first step. The second step is for you to split it into two mini equations such that you have x plus 6 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. Once you see a product, split it into two mini equations, then solve each one completely. Then you have x equals minus 6 and then x equals 3 over 2. So solve completely and get the value for x. The zero product rule is like a shortcut door to the solution. If you ignore it, you will be running in circles. If you remember it, solving equations becomes a breeze. That's it for today. If you learned something new, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and drop your answers or thoughts in the comments. Remember, math gets easier the more you see it and say it. See you in the next video.